everyone, welcome to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your VLive application on a desktop. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your Android emulator that you've downloaded and launch it open. In my case, I've downloaded BlueStacks 5 Android emulator. Once you open it up, make sure that you've downloaded the VLive app using your Android emulator and give it a click to open it up. Once you open up your VLive app, you'll be able to see this interface. Click on the Get Started button at the bottom of the page, and now you can log into your account using your Facebook, Google, Line, and other account as well. You can choose any one option to log into your account. In my case, I'm going to continue using my Google account. Click on Continue with Google if you are doing the same. In the pop-up, choose an account you'd like to log in with, or you can also add another account if you'd like to choose a different account. On the next page, enter your email address or your phone number for your Google account and click Next. On the next page, enter your password for your Google account and click on the Next button again. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to log into your VLive account right away. That was how you can log into your VLive app on your desktop. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.